Good morning, Baba Buhari. My name is Oluwatoyin Badmus. I'm Iyaloja and Iyaloja of Abuja. I'm your fan. I've been your fan since 1984-85. I've been campaigning for you since 2015. In fact, in 2019, I campaigned for you in front of Wuse Market. At the campaign ground in Wuse Market, General Marua was there. Then one retired IG of police, I think his name is Abai, was there. Baba, this killing is getting too much. Like I said, I'm your avid supporter. This is not about opposition. This killing that is going on around the country, this kidnapping, Baba, please talk to us. Address us. We want to hear from you. We don't want to be hearing from Shehu Garuba. It's you that you want to hear from. Give us assurance that everything will be okay. We are afraid to come out of our house. Last week we heard that one of the members of APC was killed on his way to the airport. That was Gulag in Imo State. Today now we are hearing rumors. I pray to God that it is not true. That they have killed the DG of what is the name of this parastatal? Of NECO. Our children, they will go to school, they will kidnap them. Baba, talk to us now. Please. Talk to us. Come on national television. Address us. Talk to your people. We want to hear from you. We want to know the situation. I'm begging you. I'm begging you on behalf of all the women in Nigeria. We are tired. I am begging you. Please come out and talk to us. Come and address us. This is getting too much. I'm over 60 years old. I was not too young when the last civil war started in Nigeria. My mother has to pack all of us and go and hide us in our hometown in the 60s. Papa, please address us now. Talk to us now. The way you are keeping quiet is not good. Stop sending people to go and talk to us. Stop sending any spokesperson to talk to us. We want to hear from you. We are your children. We voted for you. I voted for you and I don't regret voting for you. But please, Baba, we want to hear from you. This killing is getting too much. We don't feel safe anymore. We want to know what the problem is. Baba, please, I want to talk to you, but since I don't have the access to get to you, I pray and I hope that this video will get to you. This is getting too much, Baba. Please, come outside and talk to us. We are tired of you keeping quiet. Please, during the campaign, you talk to us. We want you to come outside and talk to us. I'm begging on behalf of all the women in Nigeria. We are tired.